Somewhere in the vast Sahara Desert, a team of engineers begins a careful search. For years, reports have suggested that a forgotten war machine may be buried beneath these sands. Using old military maps and coordinates, the team studies the terrain, trying to locate the exact position. The desert is quiet, but beneath the surface, something remains hidden. After hours of searching, they finally see a shape beneath the sand. As they move closer, the outline becomes clear. It is a German Tiger tank, abandoned and untouched for decades. The engineers begin inspecting the vehicle. Sand has covered much of the armor, and time has left its mark on the metal. Despite this, the structure remains strong. Recovering the tank requires heavy equipment. A crane is brought in, and the team carefully lifts the massive vehicle from the sand. For the first time in many years, the tank is fully visible again.
Steady on the lift. Watch the cables. Almost clear.
The tank is transported to a restoration facility. There, the real work begins.
Pressure is good.
The engineers wash away layers of sand and dirt.
Moving to the rear. Upper hull clear, shifting to the turret. Good work, let's rinse the whole chassis.
Slowly, the original surface of the tank begins to appear. The engine compartment is opened. Each part is carefully inspected. New components are brought in and installed where needed. Inside the tank, the crew area is restored. The driver's seat and control systems are repaired and replaced. Once the mechanical work is complete, the exterior is prepared. A fresh layer of camouflage paint is applied, restoring the tank's original appearance. Now, the moment arrives. The engine is started. After decades of silence, the machine comes back to life. To ensure everything is working correctly, the tank is tested. A shell is loaded into the cannon. The system is checked, and a test shot is fired. Finally, the restored Tiger tank moves forward under its own power. Once lost in the desert, the machine now stands as a preserved piece of history. If you enjoy discovering forgotten war machines, make sure to subscribe to War Relics Achieve for more incredible restorations.